How to earn tier credits in Caesar's Rewards. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. To earn tier credits in Caesar Rewards, you can play slot machines. From that, you can earn 1 tier credit for every $5 you play on real slot machine, for every $10 you play on a video poker machine, and also some machines have lower earning tier rates. Likewise, you can play table games, earn tier credit based on the type of game you're playing, your average bid, and how long you play. Electronic table games earn tier credit based on the type of game you play. Other ways to earn tier credit is poker, bingo, hotel. 1 tier credit for every $1 spent on room rates and resort fees only. And dining, shopping, Visa, and Caesar Sports. And this is how to earn tier credits in Caesar's Rewards. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.